After completing chapter 23, children, we will be proceeding towards chapter 24, that is nature protecting organization. These are certain group of people, children, who are working for the welfare of nature and the wildlife. Understood? ये वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं या वो ग्रुप हैं जो कि नेचर को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, वाइल्ड लाइफ को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, सेफ रहने के लिए काम करते हैं. Okay, and we are going, and such organizations are working all around the world, not only in India but all around the world. There are many national and international organizations working, and in this chapter we are going to read about such organization. Okay, so we'll see the exercise first. Read the clues and name these organizations who are working hard to protect the environment. Take the help from Keybin. Okay, we have to read the clues and after that we have to write the name. The first one is, it is the world's largest conservation organization that works to conserve life on earth by protecting oceans and coasts, forests, freshwater ecosystem. Working in more than 100 countries, it has 5 million supporters worldwide. And what is the name of the organization, children? It is Worldwide Fund of Nature. Okay, this is Worldwide Fund of Nature. The second one is, it is the largest animal welfare organization headed by Menaka Gandhi that works to rescue and rehabilitate sick and needy animals. It provides shelters, ambulance services, sterilization program, treatment camps and disaster rescue for animals. Menaka Gandhi is from India. She is a politician and she is working from a long time for the welfare of the animals in India. Okay, this organization, as it is said, कि वो shelters provide करते हैं, ambulance services, treatment, okay, all such things they provide to the animals. And the name of the organization is People for Animals. Okay, People for Animal. The third one is, it is an animal rights organization based in Virginia, USA, with 300 employees and 3 million members and supporters. Indian actor John Abraham is also the supporter of this organization. It campaigns against eating meat and killing animals for using their product. Okay, this is a USA based organization. The head office is in Virginia. And Mr. John Abraham, Indian actor, Indian Bollywood actor, also is supporting this ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दे वर्क, किस लिए वो वर्क करते हैं? ताकि लोगों को एनिमल्स को खाने के लिए और उनके सामान यूज़ करने के लिए मारना कम किया जाए या बंद कर दिया जाए. दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज शॉर्ट फॉर्म इज नोन एज PETA and the name of the organization is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Okay, People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, and the abbreviation of this organization is PETA. The fourth one is, it is an agency of United Nations established in 1972, assisting developing countries in implementing environmentally sound policies and practices. Its activities cover a wide range of issues regarding the atmosphere, marine, terrestrial ecosystem, environment, governments, and green economy. Okay, this is also an United Nations agency. United Nations is working for the whole world. It is an organization, UNO, and उनके अलग अलग missions चल रहे हैं in which they work for the welfare of people around the world. Okay, for the education, for the health, they have everything. And for the animals also, which program they are running? UNEP program is being run by United Nations, And the full form of this is United Nations Environment Program. United Nations Environment Program, and the abbreviation is UNEP. The last one, children, it is an environment friendly organization that helps communities around the world to plant trees. It has empowered rural groups to restore tree cover to their lands, protect the environment, and help to preserve traditional livelihoods and cultures for generations. Okay, this organization is helping those communities which are living in rural areas or in forest areas, and there they are telling them to protect the trees, to maintain the trees which are there in their areas. And the name of the organization is Trees for the Future. The name of this organization is Trees for the Future. Okay, so please read it again, so it will be easy for you to understand.